Historic legacy. The Yamaha DT series has a long and storied history. The DT1, introduced in 1968, is often credited with being one of the first commercially successful dirt bikes, helping to establish the off-road motorcycle market. Two-stroke power. Many early DT models, especially those from the 1970s and 1980s, featured two-stroke engines known for their lightweight and punchy power delivery, which made them popular choices for off-road enthusiasts. Enduro racing success. The DT series has been competitive in enduro racing, a form of off-road motorcycle racing that involves long-distance races across various terrains. Yamaha's success in enduro racing helped boost the DT series' reputation. Global presence. These motorcycles have been sold and enjoyed by riders around the world. They were especially popular in Europe and the United States, where off-road riding and motocross have strong followings. Varied displacements. Over the years, the DT series has included models with a wide range of engine displacements, from small 50cc models suitable for beginners to larger 400cc and 500cc models for more experienced riders. Dual sport capability. While the DT series is known for its off-road prowess, many models were also suitable for on-road use, earning them the classification of dual sport motorcycles. This versatility makes them great for riders who want to explore both dirt trails and paved roads. Cult following. Some DT models, especially the older ones, have developed a cult following among motorcycle enthusiasts and collectors. Vintage DT bikes are often sought after for restoration projects. Evolution over time. The DT series has evolved significantly over the years, adapting to changing emission standards and technological advancements. As a result, later models featured innovations like electric start, liquid cooling, and advanced suspension systems. Iconic design. The DT series has maintained a distinctive design with its rugged, purposeful appearance. These bikes often feature high fenders, minimalist bodywork, and a go-anywhere aesthetic. Inspired other bikes. The success and design of the DT series have influenced the development of other Yamaha motorcycles and even inspired similar off-road and dual sport models from other manufacturers.